you think? Good.
Good morning. It's 3:26 Thursday, 2020, and been putting it off, but finally going to make the bacon. Never done 4 pans before, but I don't really like the process of making bacon, so I figured why not destroy every pan we got and make it quicker. So we will see. Alright, here with my buddy Grant, and he's gonna help me hopefully fix my humidifier. This is the lid I just took off. These are the screws that hold on the bottom of it.
But that just broke with it though.
Well, I took it apart already.
But he does. I don't. No.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Oh my god.
Okay, so here's just the bottom of it. The bottom has all these things that help hold these pieces in when it's upside down. So it like this pushes on this and this one pushes on that.
Oh, it must be because there's like all dirt in there.
Well, so the problem is it turns on, but it's not making the smoke or the humidity or whatever come out. So I think it's a problem with this fan. So this fan, I took it apart. It was all gunked up. It was all like white and nasty. And I took it apart, but it doesn't, I cleaned it, but it still wasn't working right. So what I'm going to try to do is replace it with one, yeah. So this one that came, it was made in China. So I already wiped it down. It says made in China on it. I already wiped it off when I got it today. Or I got it yesterday, but I saw it today, so I wiped it down
When
today.
was it made?
I don't know, but I just got it yesterday. So it was made recently, probably. Can you get Sophie some water, please?
What's that?
So this is the fan. This is the bad one, and I ordered one. And I measured it and everything, and it seems to be the same exact fan. Same width, same dimensions. The new fan doesn't say the amps, but it's still 12 volts, same volt. Amps. Alright, so see, this is a fan, it spins. See the fan blades in there? So it shoots the air out of this hole here. You'll see if you look down, see there's a hole there. So this hole has to line up with that hole, and I'm hoping it fits in there. Yes, it does. And we got lucky. I could have fixed this last night. I didn't think about it. It has the same connector. I thought I was going to have to cut this and cut this old one off and solder it on with my electronic stuff, but I think it'll be fine. So let me see. Let me double check. The red is on the same side and everything. Let me see. Oh, maybe it is a different connector. Dang. It might still just stay in there. Yeah, that might work. Okay. So I'm not going to screw the bottom on, but I'll just put it in there. Just because it helps hold all this parts.
So, like, what happens if this isn't on during the night?
Well, we're going to test it before I put the screws in.
Yeah, but what happens?
Oh, then those parts will fall out. That fan, because it'll be upside down, the fan will fall out and it won't actually, like...
No, what happens during the night if it isn't on?
It should be fine. Alright, let's test this bad baby out here. Alright, so we're going to grab that lid, please. We're going to fill it up with some water and test it. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Yeah, what does this thing do?
It like rises up inside of there somehow.
Water?
Yep. Okay. Alright, go ahead and put the lid on.
move it.
Kind of wiggle it so it. Yep, you got it. It's on there.
Something wants to be like tripping everyone.
Yeah. I hit this top button once. There you go. Nope. Once for high. Look at that.
Doesn't
Does it smell like beef and cheese?
No, it doesn't smell at all.
Good. It's just water. Here's 5. Guess what?
Water.
We fixed it. Pretty cool. You want to see what it looks like on the inside?
This is how you wash your hands.
Yeah? You want to see what it looks like on the inside? So that fan is blowing the air up like that. Pretty cool, right? Alright.
Wait, is that good water to drink?
Oh, it just came from there.
So, yeah?
Yeah, but I'm going to put special water in it. Okay. Alright, so if you're tripping me, Salt, move. Alright, it's all good. We're good. Alright, it is target practice time. It's Thursday. I don't even know what the date is anymore, but Grant got this new crossbow for Christmas. I got my favorite holster pistol, and we set up a little target range down here. These are our bad guys, and Grant's gonna be the first one to shoot. And let's set up the camera and see if we can hit any of these bad boys. Alright, come on, so. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta move. We don't want you getting shot.
Dad, get the cage. Get the cage. So, not that cage. The thing. The gate.
Oh, no, that's alright. She's only down here because I'm down here. Let's go. Come on. Come on up. Come on, Pokey. Oh. Alright, go ahead. Get him. Oh, headshot. Alright, I'm trying the guy on the table. Oh.
Grab on those boards.
Huh?
You grab on those boards.
Yep.
Take that. Right here's orange. All the way orange.
Oh yeah. You gotta aim higher. Yeah! Woo!
It's going right around him. Oh, right through the cage. I'll ram. Oh. Ammo down.
Oh, I hit right in front of it. Alright, I'm out. I'm that guy.
You're lucky.
Got it.
Dad, grab ammo.
What?
Grab ammo. This gun's mine.
I need special
Oh, down
bullets
there.
for that one. Which one's James? That one. It works.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going for the guy right here. Yeah! Headshot! Last one for me. Dang, I can't hit the little guy. That's tough.
Dad.
What? Oh, we got more?
Headshot ammo.
I'm just gonna do one at a time. I think when you add more than one in. This one doesn't shoot as strong too. Oh, their whole thing is getting filled up.
Headshot.
You get him?
Yeah.
Oh, it's stuck to him. That's fun. Oh, man, I can't get that little guy.
Dad, look.
No, right here. Did you hit him?
I hit the little guy.
That's awesome. Did you? The littlest one? The one on their cage?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I'm out.
Alright, let's bring the bucket and we'll fill it. We'll go downstairs.
Get the ammo.
got them all. They're all gone.
He did.
He did. He gone.
Let's break off.
Alright, don't break your sword.
I knocked this one off. Work is done.
Alright, we got him.
Work is done.
Alright. Ready for round 2. I grab the bucket of bullets. That looks good. Yeah, put the little guy closer. That's a good idea. Alright.
We need more ammo.
Oh, man. I don't know if we need that much.
No, I'm grabbing some for this one because I'm going to use one that needs big bullets too.
Alright.
And I'm going to need a lot of big bullets.
You want to do the first shot?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll wait for it.
I'll wait for the mega bullets.
Oh, I forgot about the mega bullets.
And fill this side up. Wait, where's the little one? Right here.
You know? Oops. Move over. Move over. Whoa. Oh. Oh, I went right over him. Got him. Trying to get this little guy knocked off. Oh, I hit him, but it didn't fall.
Yeah, I got used
That one's ready. Yeah, it's ready. Gotta aim a little bit high. It's not ready? Oh, I saw all orange.
Sometimes all
Oh, yeah.
the fire.
Woo! That one had some stank on it. Oh, I just stuck him in the eye. It didn't stay stuck. Did it go on the ground then?
Sophie, here's your gun. I got Sophie a gun. Oh, it's fun. It's loaded.
Broke?
No. I only put one board in it.
Oh, man, I missed that guy just barely.
Oh, the board must go.
Man, we're not knocking any of the guys down. We did last time. I'm hitting a couple of them, but they're not falling down.
Diaper thing. Sophie ran away from her gun.
You gotta go out?
Yeah.
Taking her? You got her?
Hurry up.
Oh, that was a terrible dart. All the way up. She's the key in the room. Dang. Got most of them. Can't knock them down though. Alright, hold on. Range is closed. Range is closed. Hold on. Time out. Time out. Time out. I figured while you're doing that, I'll get some of these picked up so we can keep shooting. Alright. Is that an elbow drop? Alright. Give me a 10.
Yeah.
Is it pank?
It's a punk. It's a punk.
Oh.
The time's punk. Now. Can you make it really loud though?
That was juicy. I could take another one or what?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Oops. 6. I only need one more. He wins, he wins, he wins. Give me 5. Alright. Okay. Yeah.
You want to try it?
No, it's empty. I already
But it's all gone.
I just said that. No, get your own if you want. I could be sharing drinks over here. I didn't do that. I think you're shaking it.
I am not shaking it.
So now you only get 9?
See, I'm not shaking it. Dad just like, hurry, hurry. Here, take my tie. Hurry, take my can. And then the person just walked away. Please don't hurt me.
Alright, there you go, man.
Can I do it? Well, you can do it because I'm not set up.
Okay, thanks. 10?
Oh,
That one's not pink.
It's red. It's red. Pink.
Red.
Stop, not pink.
Ooh.
Yeah.
No. Wow, 3 8s in a row. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, boogers.
It's all 4 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. No!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, that's what I said. All 4 8s. That was a funny one. I haven't done that one in a long time. Your hair's blown by the explosion wind. The explosion wind is blowing your hair in the wind. It's like. Alright, it is about dinner time here. Going through all the provisions. Got a ham steak that I came across. Gonna make Grant a quesadilla, cheese quesadilla. And I'm going to have this steak with the instant potatoes. So these are my favorite go-to. All they take is just water. That's it. So, yeah, it's just getting really tiring having to make every meal, all day and stuff. Like, this is the reason why people don't do this stuff normally in America. Because we work all day and we're exhausted, and then we have to essentially come home and spend an hour or more in the kitchen, and it sucks. So right now I'm kind of lucky that I don't have work. Next week I will be doing some work from home stuff, and that's going to throw a big monkey wrench into the works. Oh, that's a thick one there. Wow. Okay. I couldn't tell you the last time I cooked one of these. Grant's mom used to love cooking this stuff, so it is really simple. It's pre-cooked, so you basically just heat it up, and that's it. We just got back from going to my sister's house. My sister got a new elliptical machine, and she needed help moving it upstairs from their garage all the way up to their bedroom. And this thing is a monster. Yeah, I've been taking naps every day. It's been rather nice. I think it'll be good in terms of not having to go shopping. Let's see here. What size do we need? We need bigger than that. I'll do this guy here. But yeah, we're doing good. We've been playing a lot of Switch, Nintendo Switch. specifically Mario Karts. And yeah, there's not much else going on, man. Everything's on lockdown, but we went over to my sister's. She called in my nephew, her son, Alden, and he brought, geez, 3 or 4 friends. And we all were able to kick some butt and all that stuff. Oh, also, we started 3D printing some toys. Oh, Grant took it. I don't know where it's at, but making rubber band powered cars so we can race them and stuff. So kind of excited about that. We'll kind of see how that goes. So this one, I think you just boil water, stir in, okay. That's it, stir and mix. Yeah, okay. That's simple enough. And Grant helped me fix my humidifier today. I ordered those parts, they came from China. And was not expecting that to necessarily work, but that was a nice little little thing. You know, I hate having to buy and replace all these electronics and all this stuff all the time. So if I can fix something, hell yeah, why not? So working on, though, just planning out meals for the week and stuff. I'm going to be doing that tonight. We're probably going to go to the hot tub. And then I still need to work on cleaning out my bedroom. I need to essentially make like an office space for Monday. So I'm going to be working from home Monday. I got some yellow onions and garlic. I'm going to be doing Italian dinner tomorrow. I don't know what. So, yeah, stay tuned.